English tip by tip. Tip 93 to tip 97. English tip by tip.
Tip 93.
Days Repair Shop.
Dialogue.
Hey Days, how's everything?
Hey, John. It's great to see you. I'm setting up a motorcycle repair shop and trying to figure out what all I'll need. Any suggestions?
Sure. Have you already found a location?
I found a small one. It's for a small business, but it's a good place to start.
My main suggestion is to always prioritize safety. Maintaining a high level of health and safety is essential for all businesses, no matter their size.
Is it necessary for me to know about safety too?
For sure, as an employer, keeping your staff and workers safe and healthy should be the highest priority.
Where can I find the right guidance on safety?
First of all, you should enroll in a safety course. It's essential that employers know what standards must be followed for their specific industry.
Can I also learn about safety equipment there?
Yes, it's important to emphasize wearing the correct safety equipment, whether you are a worker, an employee, or an employer.
Thanks for the information.
Anytime, contact me if you have any other questions or need more information. See you later. Exercise. Answer. What is essential in all businesses, no matter their size?
Maintaining a high level of health and safety.
To whom safe and healthy should be the highest priority?
To an employer and also to a business owner.
What is essential that employers know about safety?
To know what standards need to be adhered to for their specific industry.
Can any safety equipment be used everywhere?
No, the correct safety equipment must be chosen.
What is important to know about safety equipment?
About wearing the correct safety equipment.
English tip by tip.
Tip 94. Stay safe.
Dialogue. What should be the first things to consider for my repair shop's safety?
In my opinion, you should first think about a first aid kit and fire extinguishers. They should be strategically placed and easy to access.
Is that all?
Don't forget that adequate ventilation, including exhaust systems, is crucial for removing fumes and dust from the work area. You should also have containment kits on hand to manage spills of oil, coolant, or other fluids.
What about personal protective equipment?
You'll need safety glasses, gloves, and safety boots.
Thank you so much for your help.
You're very welcome. What happened?
Days asked John for advice on initial safety considerations for her repair shop. John suggested starting with easily accessible fire extinguishers and a first aid kit. When Days asked for more information, John added that proper ventilation, including exhaust systems and containment kits for fluid spills, are crucial. John then advised Days to get personal protective equipment, PPE, like safety glasses, gloves, and safety boots. Days thanked John for his help. English tip by tip.
Tip 95. Time is money.
Dialogue. I've already bought some tools.
Great. Remember to keep them organized to avoid wasting time looking for them. As Benjamin Franklin said, time is money.
The problem is that I can't spend more money buying organizers.
No problem. You can create and maintain a highly efficient place to keep your tools for easy access, without having to spend too much money.
How?
Some nails on the wall would be enough. And ever remember to put them back on their place after each use.
Perfect. Next month, I'll buy some drawers, at least for some special tools.
Okay. Let me know if you need any additional help. Exercise. Answer. Why is important maintaining the tools ever organized?
To avoid spend time looking for them.
Can I have the tools for easy access without spending too much on it?
Yes, you can.
What did Benjamin Franklin say?
Time is money.
What is the less expensive way to have tools close at hand?
Some nails on the wall would be enough.
What should be done after each use?
To put them back on their place.
English tip by tip.
Tip 96. Tilting at windmills.
Dialogue.
Oh days. What are you doing trying that with this tool? You're tilting at windmills.
Which one should I use?
An adjustable wrench would be ideal. To find the right size.
You're right. My way seemed quite dangerous.
Remember that safety should always be your utmost priority.
Could you please tell me something about each tool?
For sure. Spanners and wrenches. Used to provide grip and mechanical advantage in applying torque to turn objects. Single open-ended spanner. Single-ended ring spanner. Ratchet ring spanner. Double open-ended spanner. Double-ended ring spanner. Double-ended ratchet ring spanner. Socket wrench. Torque wrench. Adjustable torque wrench. Screwdrivers and screws. Bolts. Used for screwing and unscrewing, inserting and removing, screws and bolts. Flat head screwdriver. Flat head screw. Phillips screwdriver. Phillips head screw. Square screwdriver. Internal square bolt. External square head screw.
What is the difference between a screw and a bolt?
A bolt has a parallel section between the threaded section and the head. A screw has no parallel section, so the thread goes all the way to the head. Exercise. Answer. What is important about tools?
Choosing the right tool for each repair.
What can avoid to choose the right tool for each repair?
Can avoid spending more time than necessary and also to break down your tools.
What can save your time when working on a repair?
To know each tool and its function, as well as the right size to choose.
What wrenches should be ideal to have?
Adjustable wrenches.
What should be the utmost priority during a repair?
Safety should be the utmost priority.
English tip by tip.
Tip 97. To be or not to be.
Dialogue.
Hi. Is it possible to have my motorcycle serviced today?
Certainly.
I at least need to have my motorcycle oil changed today.
Okay. I need some data for the repair form. Your complete name, your ID, your address, and your phone number, please.
Okay. All this information is on my personal card here.
I'll call you as soon as it's ready.
Can you, please, also include the suits and the protectors on the invoice? My first motorcycle race will be held tomorrow, and I need to be ready.
Great. What about boots? Helmet. Gloves. And a jacket? Are they ready?
Mine are okay. Many thanks.
Your motorcycle is ready.
Okay. In 20 minutes, I'll be there. Can you please send me the invoice copy by WhatsApp?
Certainly. Here it is.
What happened? A customer named Robert went to the shop to ask if his motorcycle could be serviced that day, explaining to need at least an oil change. Days, the repair shop owner, confirmed it was possible and asked for his personal details, his name, ID, address, and phone number for the repair form. Robert agreed and said that all the required information was available on his personal card. Days told him she would call as soon as the service was complete. Robert also requested Days to include the racing suits and protectors on the invoice because he needed everything ready for his first motorcycle race the next day. Days enthusiastically asked if his other gear, specifically his boots, helmet, gloves, and jacket, were ready, to which Robert confirmed his items were fine and thanked her. Later, the same day, Days called Robert back to inform him his motorcycle was ready. Robert said he would be there in 20 minutes and asked if she could send a copy of the invoice via WhatsApp. Days agreed and provided the invoice. Please subscribe to the channel, not to miss any tip. Please share it to your friends.